In this question, you're asked to integrate dx by x square plus 6x plus 30. So this is of the form integration of dx by a quadratic. So this is a quadratic expression. So how do we integrate this? So the trick is to convert this quadratic into one of these forms, x square plus a square, x square minus a square, or a square minus x square. So if you can convert this quadratic into one of these forms, then you can apply the formula. So to convert a quadratic into these forms, we use the process of method of completion of squares. So the process is called method of completion of squares, MCS. We use the MCS process. So what is this MCS process? So what we do is x square plus 6x plus 30. So first you observe x square plus 6x. So you compare this with the formula a square plus 2ab plus b square. So x square, so you know that a square plus 2ab plus b square is a plus b whole square. So this looks like, so first neglect this constant in the starting, just observe the x square term and the x term. So this looks like x square plus 2 into 3 into x, right? Is x square, and 6x can be written as 2 into 3 into x. So this looks like a square plus 2ab. So to complete a plus b whole square, you need a 9, right? So you need a 9. So for x square plus 6x, you add a 9 and subtract a 9. And this 13 remains as it is. So x square plus 6x can be written as x square plus 2 into 3 into x. So you add a term to make it a perfect square. That is a square plus 2ab, you need to add a b square term. That is 3 square term, which is 9. So once you do this, this becomes x plus 3 whole square plus 4. So this expression is nothing but x plus 3 whole square, that is x square plus 6x plus 9 plus 4 gives you 13. So x square plus 6x plus 13 is x plus 3 whole square plus 4. Now, if you substitute this in the place of this, so this integral becomes integral of dx by x plus 3 whole square plus 4 can be written as 2 square. Now this is of the form dx by x square plus a square, where x is replaced by x plus 3. So we know that integration of 1 by x square plus a square dx is equal to 1 by a tan inverse of x by a. So what is the integration of dx by x by 3 whole square plus 2 square is equal to 1 by 2 tan inverse of, in the place of x you have x plus 3, so you have x plus 3 by a is 2 plus c. So nothing is being multiplied to x. The thing that is being multiplied to x is 1. So you don't have any 1 by a term. So if x is being multiplied by 2, you have an extra 1 by 2 term. That is what we have seen in the method of substitution. So 1 by 2 tan inverse of x plus 3 by 2 plus c is the answer. So what is the trick of differentiating 1 by quadratic? The method of completion of squares. So seeing the quadratic term and the linear term, you need to compare it with this formula and then add a number which completes the square and then adjust the remaining terms. So if you have x square minus of something, so you need to compare it with a square minus 2ab plus b square, which gives you a minus b whole square. So using one of these two formulas, you can complete the square.